In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Mailchimp account to your Squarespace website. This process is done directly within Squarespace, and I'll walk you through every step. First, log into your Squarespace site. On the left-hand menu, scroll down until you find the gear icon that represents the settings. Click on it. In the Settings menu, look for Third-Party Tools on the left sidebar and click on it. Now you'll see two main options. Click on Extensions. In the Extensions section, you should see the Mailchimp extension listed. If it's not immediately visible, you can search for it using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you locate the Mailchimp extension, click on it to open its configuration screen. You'll see a Connect option on the left side of your screen. Click on that. You will now be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your login credentials to continue. Once you're logged in, click on Finish Syncing with Squarespace Commerce and then hit Continue. If you have multiple Mailchimp sites, you will be asked to choose which one you want to connect. Select the appropriate site and then click Allow to give Mailchimp permission to access your Squarespace site. You can now adjust sync settings according to your preferences. Once you've reviewed everything, click on the Sync Now button to complete the integration. And that's how you can connect Mailchimp with your Squarespace website.